Hello and welcome. I'm Keenyn, speaking, listening, and pronunciation specialist from clearenglishacademy.com. As you've just learned, in spoken English, we have two L sounds, the light L and the dark, or as I prefer to call it, final L. You can hear both of these sounds in our practice phrase, little bell, little bell, little bell. In this lesson, we're focusing on the final L sound. Here's how to shape it. The back of your tongue pulls back toward the throat. Ol, ol. The tip of your tongue can be up or down, but most learners succeed with the tip up, pressing against the ridge behind the top teeth. Let me show you the ridge on my big mouth. Here we go. Right behind the top front teeth is the alveolar ridge or the ridge. A difference between final L and light L. If the tip of your tongue is up, it will press and hold against the ridge, not press and release. The difference between apple and apple. Keep your lips, cheeks, and jaw relaxed. And think of creating space in the back of your mouth by pulling the back of your tongue away from the roof of your mouth, like you're holding a small ball back there. Oh, oh. And here's an important insight. Don't stress about the dark L. If your final L sounds a little light, that's okay. It won't affect your clarity. The most important thing is to be able to speak an L sound at the end of words when you need it. You don't want to drop the sound or accidentally turn it into an R. Let's hear the difference. Fee, feel, fear. Tie, tile, tire. Now let's practice the final L in some words. First, we'll try it with non-moving vowel sounds. Try these with me. Silver pin, bill, bill. Red pepper, tell, tell. Auburn dog, call, call. Wooden hook, pull, pull. Notice how these non-moving vowels merge with the L sound, becoming one. Bill, tell, call, pull. Now let's try the final L with moving vowel sounds. Try this with me. Green tea, feel, feel. Gray day, sail, sail. Turquoise toy, oil, oil. White tie, mile, mile. Notice how these words almost sound like they're two syllables or two beats with a little y or y sound connecting the sounds. Feel, feel, sail, sail, oil, oil, mile, mile. Interesting, right? And finally, let's explore how final L combines with consonant sounds in a quick, unstressed syllable, as in the words normal, people, struggle, travel. Hear how that consonant and that final L smush together in a really quick, unstressed syllable. Let's try this again. Mo, mo, normal, normal, pull, pull, people, people, gl, gl, struggle, struggle, vl, vl, travel, travel. Great practice. Here's what you need to remember about this sound. The final L happens at the end of syllables and words. The back of your tongue pulls back, the lips and jaw stay relaxed, and the tip of your tongue can be up, pressing against the ridge, or it can be down. Ol, ol. The key is making sure an L sound is there when you need it, that you're not dropping that sound or replacing it with an R. Nicely done, my friend. You've just practiced the final or dark L, one of the trickiest sounds in English. If you'd like more training like this with other challenging sounds, come join me at clearenglishacademy.com. Let's keep building and growing together. and I'll see you in the next lesson.